Everyone to our pitch meeting for the future home of Amethyst Horizon, Western University's very own luxury hotel. We appreciate all the stakeholders for being so accommodating with the current weather we're having and moving this in-person presentation to online. Without further ado, let us show you our vision for Western's greatest addition to campus. A simple and cost-effective plan for Western's new luxury hotel space, located on the fourth floor of the Entrepreneurship and Innovation Center. Our vision is to install 5 luxury suites, a small kitchen, hotel bar, staff and laundry room, as well as a multi-purpose conference room. To be able to complete this vision, we will have to rough in services to each room. This includes plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. Each room will have to be of a high level of finish and include amenities such as kitchenette, ensuite, and beautiful views of Western's campus, as the goal is to bring in high-level professors and influencers from out of town and house them here on campus, instead of putting them up in a hotel far away from their work. To make sure that this high level of quality is maintained, we will add a staff room, which will include a washing and drying machines to assist in cleaning rooms and guest items, as well as other storage facilities. The kitchen that is added will be smaller in size, as it will only be for room service orders for guests not wishing to cook, and that can cater also to smaller conferences that occur on the fourth floor. To make this hotel isolated from the rest of the building, we will add a smaller conference room compared to the one that is on the first floor, for more of a private setting. Finally, in the lobby of our hotel, we will have a front desk and bar where guests can check in and loiter during the downtime.
Welcome to the site logistics plan for the upcoming renovation project. Here's how we'll make sure everything runs smoothly with minimal disruption to the daily flow of students, staff, and faculty on campus. The site access will be through the north wing of the Schmeichel building leading to the Weldon Library. This will be the primary access route to the site, minimizing the disruption of students heading to their classes from other pathways. To keep traffic flowing smoothly, we'll be using a section of the Weldon parking lot for some deliveries. By using the Weldon parking lot, we're avoiding any additional congestion on Western Road or Oxford Drive. We'll also have clear signs to direct delivery trucks, ensuring smooth traffic flow. Don't worry, deliveries won't happen too often, so the public will still be able to use the lot as needed. To keep students and pedestrians safe, we'll be setting up temporary fencing along the main pathway. This ensures no one interferes with the work being done while allowing the project to proceed efficiently and safely. The power will be sourced from the existing building and the Schmeichel building, providing a reliable energy source for the renovations. We won't be pulling power from Weldon Library or the law building. This just will avoid any unnecessary complications. We will be setting up fencing, which will protect the area and keep things tidy and secure. Construction trailers will be there for the contractors and owners' representatives, and along with necessary portable bathrooms to ensure our workers have everything they need without causing any interruptions inside the building. To maximize efficiency, we'll be installing an outdoor site elevator in the existing hole in the wall. This will just allow materials to be brought in and out with ease, saving time and effort. Stockpiles of materials will be placed to the right to the elevator, reducing the need for multiple trips. When large shipments of materials arrive, extra fencing will be provided around the unloading area. This will just ensure that students and staff are not being inconvenienced and staying safe. Waste management will be placing bins near the elevator, keeping the site clean without having to move waste far from the work area. This concludes the site logistics plan, which ensures that everything is smooth, efficient, and will cause minimal disruption to the campus community.
Moving on to the guest rooms, each room is designed to be spacious and well lit, while also making optimal use of the available space that offers a comfortable king-size bed, work area, and ample space for luggage. To ensure guests have everything they need for a pleasant stay, each room will feature a high-quality mattress and bedding to ensure a restful sleep, a well-appointed desk area for travelers needing to work from home, smart TVs with streaming capabilities that are perfect for entertainment, mini fridges and coffee making stations that enhance the comfort and convenience of each room, along with high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the hotel, which will cater to the modern traveler's needs, as well as a private bathroom that is the best at doing what bathrooms do best. We'll focus on creating a relaxing atmosphere with a clean and modern design using neutral tones and soft textures. The aim is to appeal to guests ranging from business professionals to guest lecturers looking for a comfortable getaway while spending time at Western. Our bathrooms consist of adequate exhaust fans capable of reducing the steam in the bathrooms even when the lovers of back-burning showers are in town. Our bathrooms will also feature a beautiful quarry stone tiling located around the mirror sourced from Ontario's beautiful Bruce Peninsula. Additionally, we will incorporate energy saving systems within the rooms, such as an energy efficient heating system that divides over 4 boilers instead of one, ensuring that the energy is not being wasted to heat up water that does not need to be used. This does not only reduce costs, but also aligns with our growing consumer preference for eco-friendly establishments and the wonderful amenity of being able to individually control the temperature in the room.
Alright, onto the conference room. Within this room, we will ensure an independent HVAC and electrical system is installed so that guests can personalize the room to their needs. Soundproofing and insulation will be placed within the walls once they are constructed to make sure that this is a private area. Furnishings, such as chairs and tables, will be installed right at the end of construction to make sure that little to no damage is occurred. And I believe we had a special request from ah, Kevin McGuire for whoopee cushions to be installed, but I'm afraid that they are just outside the budget. This room will be secured using the same keycard lock that is on all guest rooms. And finally, we'll make sure to equip this room with a projector and speaker system to make sure that a guest is suited for any situation they need.
Next up is the bar and kitchen areas. Firstly, with the bar, we will create a concrete outer shell and bar top so that it blends in with the surrounding floor and current structure. To be able to support the bar top, we will create a metal frame that provides storage and stability. Before pouring concrete, we must make sure that all utilities have been roughed in, such as plumbing and electrical, as it will be too difficult to complete this afterwards. Across from the bar, we will install a unique piece to liven up the space, this being a grand piano. This must be delivered just on time so that it can go exactly where it needs to without having to be moved multiple times. As for the kitchen, we will be sure to add a new exhaust vents for the stove and burner. And then with the equipment division, we have worked out exactly how many types of machines that we will need and where they need to go for both the bar and the kitchen. Thermal protection will also be installed within the kitchen to make sure all local codes are correctly followed. Similar to how the grand piano was scheduled, we will also schedule the equipment so that it only gets moved once and arrives just on time.
The hotel will also feature a front desk and staff rooms. We've designed the staff area to be compact yet highly efficient, ensuring that your team can operate seamlessly while maintaining an excellent standard of guest service. The front desk will be placed right outside the main elevator, ensuring that guests can receive their room security cards the second they step off the elevator and go straight to their rooms if desired after a potentially long trip to London, Ontario. This will also contain a convenient and easy system for the staff to be trained in, as the software on the front desk computer makes it as easy as a few clicks and a swipe of the card to assign it to the rooms. The staff room will be strategically located on the south wing, ensuring minimal disruption to guest areas. It will provide a comfortable space for staff to rest and take breaks. A dedicated laundry area will also be placed nearby, ensuring that linens, towels, and uniforms are efficiently cleaned and stored. We'll also include a sufficient storage space for supplies and hotel amenities, ensuring that the back of house remains organized and functional.
Our WBS breaks the project into clear and manageable phases that will ensure every task is accounted for and nothing gets overlooked throughout the construction process. This has allowed for us to streamline and coordinate among all trades and suppliers that will be collaborating throughout the project. Within the 5 main sections of our WBS, we have assigned responsibilities to each of the divisions, and this will allow us to foster accountability throughout the project, and it ensures that every team knows their role. It'll allow for everyone to also deliver what they need to on time and within the allocated budget. In forming our WBS, we were able to identify risks early on, and this has allowed us to integrate any proactive measures into our scheduling plan. Overall, our work breakdown structure will work to minimize inefficiencies throughout the construction process while offering the client full transparency over progress.
All right, so now I'm going to talk about the construction methodology and sequencing. So all of the project tasks and summary tasks are all in the work breakdown structure as well as Microsoft project, and they're all outlined there. And this is really to demonstrate that the flow of work will be very organized and everything will be done in a time efficient manner. So the whole project will be done in 1 year. So completion will be December 31st. right for New Year's in 2025. So the site office and freight outdoor freight elevator are going to be set up on north wing, and they will be set up at the beginning, and the parking lot will remain open. All fixtures and all furniture will all come in up the elevator. They will not be using the main entrance, so there will be no disruption. And most of the major trades are at work during the summer when there's no students here, which is great. And the whole hotel has key card locks. It's very secure. We've got luxury rooms, big conference room, and it's really perfect for professors or academic visitors. And even the location. It's the perfect location right in the middle of campus, and it's purple themed too. So overall, it's a great project idea. For this project, a cash flow was also provided with an S-curve to demonstrate where the money is spent, how it's spent, and when it is spent for full transparency, and to also demonstrate the organized flow of operations and tasks that are happening throughout the project throughout the whole year. And once again, there will be minimal disruptions to campus, normal campus operations such as the parking lot and the pedestrian walkways to enter the building, and as well as minimal disruptions to the Schmeichel building operations. Um, Overall, it's a great location right in the middle of campus. Um, Very large rooms with large desks, king size beds, and a very large conference room where they can set their own temperature, and a purple theme for the hotel. Overall, it's would be very good for the university. Uh, could potentially attract a lot more visiting professors and researchers. And overall, the hotel renovation, the fourth floor, the Schmeichel building, would be a very good idea. And thank you for listening. Hopefully, you are as interested as us about implementing this project at Western.